This is Apple Watch Series 10, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the location services on this device. So in the beginning, let me take a quick detour and tell you that you can do that from either Apple Watch itself or iPhone, and the steps are identical, so choose whatever route you fancy. I'll do that on Apple Watch, so press the digital crown button once to open the app view. Next, from here, launch settings. Now scroll the settings page down for just a little bit and look for the privacy and security category, then enter it. And from here go into location services, and at the very top you have a toggle that allows you to switch them off. Or if you like to, you can turn them on. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.